How to verify age on Roblox. If you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.
Go over to your Roblox application. So what you want to do is go to the bottom right where it has more with those three little dots and just go ahead and click on that. Now, once you're here, you're going to see a lot of different options. Scroll down until you find settings, which is under blog. And then you're going to see a lot more here. Go to account info, which is at the very top. Now, once you're here, you're going to see a lot of different things. And then when you scroll down, you're going to see personal and then you're going to see an age group. Right now, mine is checked. So if your one isn't checked, what you want to do is just click on that area. It's going to ask you to verify your age, either using ID, facial verification, or anything like that. So you can use a driver's license, any personal ID you have, like a passport, and then you can also verify your birthday that way as well. And then you'll be good to go after that. So if you want to change your Roblox age group, what you're going to have to do is contact Roblox. For example, you might have put a previous age in and you need to contact them through Roblox support. So you can just go over to any browser of your choice. So I can just use Google Chrome for an example. And then once you're here, all you want to do is type in Roblox support. So then once you type in Roblox support like so, you're going to be on this page right here. And then all you want to go ahead and do is just press I need help with my account, and then just go through the steps over here and just say that you need to change your age group on Roblox, and they'll be able to help you within 24 to 48 hours.